In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change an item column name on Monday.com quickly and correctly. Whether you're organizing projects, managing tasks, or cleaning up your board structure, renaming columns is a simple but powerful way to keep everything clear and aligned with your workflow. The best part is it only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your board. Go ahead and log in to Monday.com using your account details. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board that contains the column you want to rename. This could be a project board, a task tracker, a CRM board, or any custom workflow you've created. Click on the board to open it so you can see all your groups, items, and columns laid out in the table view. Now that your board is open, locate the specific column you want to rename. Columns are displayed across the top of your board, and they might be labeled something like status, date, person, text, priority, or anything custom you've already created. Carefully scan across the top row and find the exact column header you'd like to change. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the column name. When you hover over the header, you'll notice a small menu icon appear. This is usually shown as a downward arrow or a three-dot menu icon next to the column title. Next, open the column menu. Click on that small downward arrow or the three-dot icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several column settings and options. This menu allows you to manage everything related to that specific column, including settings, permissions, duplication, and of course, renaming. From the drop-down list, look for the option that says Rename Column. Go ahead and click on Rename Column. As soon as you do this, you'll see that the column title becomes editable. The existing name will be highlighted and your cursor will appear inside the text field, allowing you to type a new name immediately. Now it's time to type your new column name. Enter whatever name makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, you might change status to project stage, or date to deadline, or text to client notes. Choose a name that clearly reflects how you're using that column so your board stays organized and easy to understand for your team. Once you've typed the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save the change. You can also simply click anywhere outside the text field and Monday.com will automatically save the updated name. There's no separate save button required, which makes this process very fast and efficient. After saving, you'll immediately see the new column name reflected across your board. The updated name will appear in the main table view, and it will also update across other board views like Kanban, Gantt, Calendar, or timeline views if you're using them. If your board is connected to dashboards, the new column name will typically update there as well. In most cases, automations that rely on that column will automatically recognize the new name, but it's always a good idea to quickly double-check any critical automations just to be safe. And that's it. That's how you change an item column name on Monday.com. As you can see, it's a very simple process, but keeping your columns clearly labeled can make a huge difference in how organized and professional your boards look, especially when working with a team. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.